Hello, friends and family with Keller Williams. This is Toni Benton with your Keller Williams office in Tampa Bay, Florida. I'm super excited to let you know I am teaching the contract class. Yes, this is a really important class, whether you realize it or not. And I know it sounds kind of silly to say this, but there's quite a few agents out there who don't really understand what that contract means, how really super important it is for negotiations. And there's so many different terms and nuances and caveats to that contract. Let's get the upper hand. Let's give you some leverage on how to really just outshine other agents in the industry who don't know, practice, or learn that contract. For example, if you have a buyer or a listing where there is a tenant in place, do you know what's needed? I can tell you the last time I asked that question in a class, there were deer in the headlights. That's really bad. Do you guys understand when the survey is due? Because there is actually a deadline on that. Those little things aren't really so little. And those are things that I'll be going over in the class. So please join me. I'm so excited to see you there in person or on camera. Make sure your cameras are on. I'd love to see your bright and shiny faces. And I'll get to go over all of that information and answer questions you have. And we also have an attorney that jumps on at the end, so you'll get a little more insight as to some legal items that come up with the contract as well. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Have a great day.